Hello. What kind of a person are you? Are you an in spite of person or are you a because of person? You must have noticed that there are two kinds of people, in spite of and because of. In spite of are people who keep on going ahead in their lives irrespective of what is happening. Let us quickly talk about the second category, because of. These are the people who have all the excuses available to them to justify their situation in life. Whether it is professional life, personal life, they have all the reasons. And I won't actually like to call them reasons, they are only excuses. And in this video, I am going to share with you who are these in spite of people and how do they look at every situation. And you will understand if there is any need for you to shift in looking at some situations in life and move towards being a person who is saying, in spite of everything that was happening in my life, I made it possible. And these are the people who actually rise, who actually shine, who actually contribute in the lives around them. First thing that happens with such people is when they encounter challenges. What is it that they tell themselves? Whenever a challenge comes, they say to themselves, a challenge is nothing else but an opportunity to grow. Notice what I'm saying here. Whenever a challenge comes, it helps you to dig a little deeper into your own character to meet that challenge and you rise up to that. And that is how you tend to grow whenever you face a challenge. These are the in spite of people. Second thing that happens with such people is whenever they face setbacks, because of people will give up so easily whenever a smallest of setback comes. But in spite of people, they know setback is nothing else but a part of the journey. Setback is nothing else but an opportunity to learn. And setback is also nothing else but a message that you need to keep going. So they persist in spite of setbacks. Third thing that happens with such people is whenever they face criticism, so they look at criticism as feedback. Who is giving that criticism doesn't really matter. They treat that as feedback. They then process that feedback and find out where is the opportunity to grow. But what happens with people who are, because of temperament, they say the moment criticism comes, they are not able to handle it and they stop wherever they are. Next thing that happens with people who are in the category of in spite of, whenever they face resource constraint, and when I'm saying resource constraint, it may be physical resources, it may be people resources, it may be support from the world around them. Whenever they face resource constraint, they treat that as an opportunity to become even more resourceful. I'm repeating what I've just said. They treat that as an opportunity to become even more resourceful. They know for sure that the life is not about resources. Life is more about being resourceful. Whatever resources you have at a given point of time, how are you making the best use of them? That is how they talk to themselves. Next thing that happens with people who are in the in spite of category, whenever they face problems, whenever they face problems, they say to themselves, wow, there is a problem. This is an opportunity to find a solution. And they know for sure the world actually runs with solving problems. Any invention that comes, any service that is created, it is nothing else but solving a problem which has been noticed by someone. So when they face a problem, they know they need to just find a solution. I remember an interview with Travis Kalanick, who was the founder of Uber. He said, I love when big problems come to me because I know big problems are bigger opportunity to find a solution and offer it to the world. So are you solution centric or not? Are you saying to yourself, in spite of my problems, I have continued to rise? Next thing that happens is with people who are in spite of category, whenever they face questions from people around them, whenever you start something new, whenever you want to start something new, you will have questions from people around you and some of those people will be the closest. Many of them may not be expressed questions. They may just show up in the body language of people. So whenever you face questions like this, what happens to you? If you are an in spite of category person, you know that now is the time to answer these questions. What do I mean by that? You are not making an attempt to prove yourself, but you know for sure now it is the time to show what are the capabilities and gifts that you have, which you would like to use to offer it to the world. Next thing that happens with such people is whenever they notice that they are getting back into comfort zone, they treat that as an opportunity. And how it comes is they are very highly aware people. They treat that as an opportunity. Now I need to put a little more energy and effort to break out of comfort zone, isn't it? Otherwise, the moment you get into comfort zone, it starts it starts as a place which is very familiar and which is very cozy, and it may stop you from growing. But people who are in spite of category, they know they have to break their comfort zone if they want to do something really big in their lives. And the last thought that I'm sharing is, in spite of people, whenever they face self-doubt, and isn't it true that self-doubt is also an integral part of our existence? Whenever we want to take an initiative, take some risk, first thing perhaps that happens is you have a self-doubt whether you'll be able to do it or not. So they face the same situation, but whenever they face the situation of self-doubt, what they see is they treat this as an opportunity to listen to their soul, because soul is something that speaks the real truth for any person. Soul is what conveys to any person that these are the gifts that have been given to you, these are the talents you have been blessed with, and it is high time that you start making use of these gifts. So this is how people who are in spite of category, they break all the barriers, whether they are physical barriers, whether they are people barriers, or whether they are self-created barriers. They break all those barriers, treat every such situation as an opportunity to do a little more, be a little more, and keep going ahead. And if you find something useful in this conversation that I've just had with you, give your comments below to help me understand what did you really like about it.